If you're tired of flimsy charging cables that barely last or don't fit right, the Vanjua 2-pack replacement DC charging cable offers a dependable solution. Designed specifically for devices with a 2.5 mm round DC port, this USB to DC cable delivers steady power without the fuss. What sets this cable apart is its wide compatibility. Whether you need to charge massagers, beauty instruments, or other small electronics, this 5 volts USB to DC charger fits the bill. It works seamlessly with any device that uses a 2.5 mm round DC charging port, so you can rely on it for multiple gadgets. Length matters when it comes to charging cables. At 2.7 feet, 82 centimeters, this cable strikes the perfect balance, long enough to reach your device comfortably but short enough to avoid tangled messes. The DC connector's precise dimensions ensure a snug fit that won't slip out during use, keeping your device powered without interruption. Durability is another strong point here. Built with a high-purity pure copper core, this cable minimizes energy loss and supports stable charging. Compared to standard cables, it offers more efficient power transmission, meaning your devices charge faster and safer. This quality build promises long-lasting performance, even with frequent use. Using the Vanjua charging cable couldn't be easier. It plugs into any standard USB port, whether on wall chargers, laptops, power banks, or car chargers. This versatility makes it ideal for home, office, or travel. Wherever you go, you'll have reliable power ready to keep your essential devices running. If you're looking for a hassle-free charging solution that combines quality, convenience, and compatibility, this 2-pack is worth a look. It's designed to meet everyday needs without compromise, so you get consistent power when it counts most. Customer support is a key part of the package. Vanjua stands behind their product with responsive service, ready to help within 24 hours if you run into any issues. That kind of care adds peace of mind to your purchase. If that's you, someone who values reliable, fast charging without the frustration of poor connections or weak cables, the Vanjua 2-pack replacement DC charging cable is a smart choice. Try it when you're ready and experience the difference in dependable power for your devices.